Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook an egg in ramen. Adding an egg is a fantastic way to boost flavor and protein in your meal. The simplest method involves cracking a fresh egg directly into your simmering ramen broth. You will want to do this during the last 2 minutes of cooking. Gently stirring, it will create a lovely poached or scrambled texture, making your ramen even more satisfying and delicious. For a perfect soft-boiled egg, you will need to cook it separately. Bring a small pot of water to a rolling boil, then carefully lower your egg in. Boil it for precisely 6 to 7 minutes to achieve that wonderful jammy yolk. Immediately after, plunge the egg into an ice bath for about 1 minute. This stops the cooking, making it easier to peel and ensuring a beautiful, runny center for your ramen. Another delicious option is to prepare a fried egg or a thin omelet. For a fried egg, cook it in a separate pan until the whites are fully set but the yolk remains wonderfully runny. Alternatively, whisk 1 egg and cook it as a delicate, thin omelet, then slice it into strips. Both of these methods provide a fantastic, flavorful topping that adds richness and visual appeal to your ramen bowl. To ensure your ramen eggs are always delicious, remember a few key tips. Always use fresh, high-quality eggs. They truly make a difference in both flavor and texture. Feel free to adjust cooking times by about 30 seconds to 1 minute to achieve your absolute favorite egg consistency. For an extra layer of savory flavor, try marinating a soft-boiled egg in a mixture of soy sauce and mirin for at least 30 minutes before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.